Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Do you struggle with solving MCQs in maths exam? Many students lose marks in MCQs just because they don't know the right trick. In this lecture, I will show you how to solve them quickly and correctly. I will solve MCQs 1 to 10 from Maths Model Paper given by Federal Board. I will use surprise tip that can help you to solve MCQs even faster. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Now we will try to solve from MCQs 1. Now the MCQ 1 is, if z is equal to x plus iota y, then what is the real solution of x minus 3 less than or equal to 2? First option is x is less than or equal to 5. Second is y is less than or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to minus 5 and y is less than or equal to minus 2. So what will be the right answer of this? Answer is x is less than or equal to 5. Now what is the reason behind this is, first of all we will write this inequality, that is x minus 3 is less than or equal to 2. Now we will solve this. First of all isolate x such that x is less than or equal to 2 and minus 3 will be added 2 plus 3. So simplify this, x is less than or equal to 5. So the real solution is x is less than or equal to 5. This is the real solution of this MCQ. Now we will solve the second MCQs. Now the MCQs 2 is, if z is equal to square root of 3 minus iota, then principal argument of z is written as minus pi by 6, minus pi by 3 or pi by 3. So we will first of all write the answer. Answer is minus pi by 6. Now what is the reason behind this is, we will solve this and find the value of principal argument. So z is equal to square root of 3 minus iota. Now we will see that here the x is equal to the square root of 3 and y is equal to the minus 1. It shows that x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. Means x is positive and y is negative. So we will solve this by quadrant method, that this is the first quadrant, this is second, this is the third and this is the fourth. Now we know that in first quadrant all the values of x and y are positive. So x positive, y positive. In the second, x is negative but y is positive. In the third, x is negative and y is also negative. And in the fourth, x is positive and y is negative. Now in this question we have x is greater than 0, square root of 3, so x is positive, and y is equal to minus 1 means y is negative. So this will lies in the fourth quadrant, that is x is positive and y is negative. Now first of all we will take the modulus of z, that is mod of z, which is equal to the square root of x square plus y square. So we will get square root, x square means square root of 3 square and y square means minus 1 square. So this will be equal to, the square is cancelled by this square root, and 3 plus 1 square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So we will have the modulus of z is equal to the 2. So mod of z is equal to 2. We have find out. Now we will find the value of theta, that is given by tan theta, and tan theta is equal to the y by x. Now we will put the value of y and value of x from this and get the value of tan theta and then take inverse. Now tan of theta is equal to the y, which is equal to -1, and x is equal to square root of 3. Then theta will be equal to tan inverse of -1 by square root of 3. So this will become pi by 6, but here we use -1 by 3, so theta will be equal to minus pi by 6. So this is the correct option of this question. Now we will solve 3 MCQs. Now the MCQ 3 is, for a square matrix A of order 3 by 3, mod of A is equal to 9, A21 is equal to 3, A22 is equal to 3, and A23 is equal to -1. A21 is given 1, A22 is equal to 2. What is the value of A22? A option is 2, B option is 3, C option is 9, and D option is -1. So the answer is 3. Now we will solve this. How we get answer is equal to the 3. So first of all, mod of A, which is equal to 9, and A of 2 1, which is equal to the 3, and A of 2 2, which is equal to the 3, and A of 2 3, which is equal to -1. A22 is the element of second row and second column. So since A22 is equal to the 3, it means that A22 will also be equal to 3. Since A22 is equal to the 3, so A22 will also equal to the 3. This is the right answer. Now we will solve MCQ 4. Now the right answer is AB. And what is the reason behind this is, system of equation. For a system of equation to have a unique solution, the rank of the coefficient matrix must be equal to the number of unknowns. So the rank condition is the rank of matrix must be equal to the number of columns. So we will write the reason is, the rank of matrix must be equal to the number of unknowns. Number of unknowns that you will find by AB. Now we will solve the fifth MCQ. Now the MCQ 5 is, what is the arithmetic mean of 20 terms of an arithmetic propagation with first term is 2 and the common difference is 2. Now your answer will be 20, 21, 22 or 42. So the right answer of this question is 21. Now we will find the reason behind this is, we have first term equal to 2, A is equal to 2, and difference is also 2. And now you will find the arithmetic mean of first 20 terms, that will be equal to the sum of first 20 terms, which will be equal to the formula, that is n by 2 plus multiply by 2 of a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you will put the value n is equal to 20. So 20 by 2 multiply 2 into a is 2 plus n is 20, 20 minus 1 is 19 and difference is also equal to 2. So you will get 10 multiply by 4 plus 38. So 4 plus 38 is 32. So 10 multiply 42, which will be equal to 420. Now you have to find the AM. So what is the formula of this? AM is equal to the sum of 20 terms divided by number of terms. So 420 is the sum and total terms are 20. So you will get 21. Arithmetic mean is equal to the 21 and this is the right answer of this question. Now we will solve MCQ. Now we have the MCQ is what is the value of harmonic mean between two non-zero real number if arithmetic mean is equal to 3 square root 2 by 2 and geometric mean is equal to the 2. So what will be the answer? Answer is 8 by 3 square root of 2. So what is the reason behind this is we have the formula of harmonic mean is 2ab by a plus b, arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 and geometric mean is square root of ab. Now how we will find this? We have the value of arithmetic mean which is equal to the 3 square root 2 by 2 and this is equal to a plus b by 2. This 2 is to cancel and we have a plus b is equal to 3 square root of 2. Now the value of geometric mean is given 2 and this is equal to square root of ab. Now taking square on both sides will get 4 is equal to ab. Now put these two value in this. 2 into ab is 4 and a plus b is equal to 3 square root of 2. So this will equal to 8 3 square root of 2. So this is the right answer. Now we will solve the 7th MCQs. Now we will have the 7th MCQ. What is the 8th term of 2x minus 1 over 2x raised to power 12? A option is 198 x raised to power minus 2. B option is 198 x square. C option is minus 198 x raised to power minus 2 and D option is minus 198 x square. And the right option is minus 198 x raised to power minus 2. So we will mark this option. Minus 198 x raised to power minus 2. And what is the reason behind this is, first of all we will write the general formula of binomial expression for a plus b raised to power n is given by tr plus 1 which is equal to nr and a raised to power n minus r and b raised to power r, where the value of r is vary from 0, 1, 2 up to n. This is the general formula. Now by comparing this to the question, we have a is equal to the 2x and the b is equal to the formula is positive, so we have minus 1 by 2x. So the value of r will be, we have to find 8 terms, so r is equal to 7 because T8 will become when r is equal to 7. And the last thing we have n is equal to 12. Now we will put these value in this. So T8 is equal to n is equal to 12, r is 7, a raised to power 12 minus 7 and b raised to power 7. So this will become equal to the T8 is equal to the 12 to 7 means 12 factorial by 7 factorial into 12 minus 7 factorial, and multiply this by the a raised to power means we have a is equal to the 2x, 12 minus 7 means 2x raised to power 5, and b which is equal to minus 1 by 2x and raised to power 7. Now after solving this we will get 792 multiply by 32 x raised to power 5, and this will equal to minus 2 raised to power 7 is 128 and x raised to power 7. So this is equal to the, when we solving this we will get minus 198 x raised to power minus 2, because 5 minus 7 is minus 2, and when we solve 1, 7, 2, 9, 32 and 128 we will get minus 198. So this is the right answer. Now we will solve 8th MCQ. Now the MCQs 8 is, if n is such that 2 raised to power n is less than n factorial, then what is the smallest possible value for which s of n is true? Now the correct option of this answer is 4. So what is the reason behind this is, first of all we will discuss the formula of P of n to find the smallest possible value. P of n is equal to the such that 2 raised to power n is less than n factorial. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now n factorial is equal to the n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 up to so on 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. This is the formula of n factorial. Now put, first of all, n is equal to 1. So 2 raised to power 1 is less than 1 multiply 1 minus 1 multiply 1 minus 2 up to so on. But here n is equal to the 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 raised to power 1, 2 is less than 0. This is not true because 2 is the greater. So this is false. This option is false. Now we will put n is equal to 2. When we put n is equal to 2, we see that 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So this term will also 0 and we have 2 raised to power 2 means 4. 4 is less than 0. This option is also false. Now we will put n is equal to 3. Here we have n minus 2, then we have also n minus 3 up to so on. So if we put n is equal to 3 in this question, we have 2 raised to power 3 which is equal to 8. So n minus 3 means 3 minus 3. This side is also equal to 0 and 8 is not less than 0. This option is false. Now we have the last, that is n is equal to 4. So when we put n is equal to 4, now put n is equal to 4, 2 raised to power 4 is less than 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 and 16 is less than 4 multiply 3 is 12, 12 multiply 2 is 24. So this is the true option because 4 is less than 24. So the D option is right. Now we will solve the 9th MCQs. Now the question number 9 is x square plus 3x minus 16 by x plus 4, which is equal to x minus 4 minus by, you have to find the value then x plus 4. Option A is 3, option B is minus 3, option C is 3x, and option D is minus 3x. So the right option is 3 of x. And what is the reason behind this is, we will divide this x square plus 3x minus 16 by x plus 4. Now multiply this by x square plus 4x. Now circle the old sign and get the new sign. X square minus x square is cancelled out. 3x minus 4x is minus x minus 16. Now this is given, then we multiply with this minus 4. So minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Then minus 4 into plus 4 is minus 16. Now circle the old sign and get the new sign. This is 16 and minus 16 is cancelled. Minus x and plus 4x is plus 3x. So the remainder is plus 3x. We will write this as x minus 4 minus 3x by x plus 4. This is the answer of this question. Now we will solve the 10th MCQ. Now the 10th MCQ is, if length of one side of the box is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is x minus 2. What are the other two sides? It's mean we have the volume. Now the answer of this question is x square minus 1. And the reason behind this is volume is equal to length multiply width multiply height. So length is given and we have to find w and h. So w multiply h will be equal to v by L. It's mean we divide volume by length. So volume is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, and divide this by length, which is given x minus 2. So first of all, to make x cube, we will multiply x by x square. So x cube minus 2x square. Now circle the old sign and get the new sign. So these two terms are cancelled and remaining is minus x plus 2. Now to get minus x, we multiply x by minus 1. So minus x, then minus 1 multiply minus 2 is plus 2. Now circle the old signs and get the new sign. All the terms are cancelled out. So the product of other two sides will be equal to x square minus 1. This is the answer of this option. I hope you understand all the questions we have solved in this video. In the next video, we will solve the remaining 10 MCQs of model paper for class 11th Federal Board. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.